Okay, so here's a problem that asks us for the circumference of circle D if point Y is a point of tangency. So again, that's awesome because it's connecting Y to D, which is a radius. So that makes that a right angle. And you look at this and we only have one side length. We don't have this part of the hypotenuse. We don't have a radii, but we do have an angle, which is different than what we've had before. Of course, when you have a right triangle, an angle, and a side, you can find the other angle and the other sides using right triangle trig. So I want to find the circumference, which means I'm going to have to find the radius. So I'm going to use right triangle trig to involve 27 degrees, the side opposite, and the side adjacent. So that would be the tangent of 27 would equal x over 167. And then I just use my calculator to get an answer for that. Whoa. And that is 85.091. And if I know that, wow, that is ugly. I can find the circumference. Circumference, if you remember, is 2 pi r. So if we know the radius, it would be 2 pi times, and you could store this in your calculator if you were a good person, and that would be approximately 170.182 pi, or 534.641 feet. And you know what? I didn't store it. I was just using my notes from a previous year. So if you are a better person and stored it and got a little bit different answer, you're great. All right. So that is all there is to that little right triangle trig, which is a great review. And then you do have a few homework problems that are a little bit review, some new stuff. Should be pretty easy. All right. Happy Monday. And I will be happy to help you anytime on Monday or Tuesday if you need it. Just shoot me an email, okay? Have a great day.